Top 5 whole house generator.
Top 5.
Totally automatic. The ATS-50 Emergency Essentials Automatic Transfer Switch has 8 available circuits and provides seamless power to your home during an outage. Quietest in class, thanks to advanced sound dampening and a specially designed low-tone muffler, this generator operates at a residential-friendly 59.5 dB noise level. Champion support includes 10-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts.
Top 4.
Industry-exclusive dual 200-amp transfer switch is rated for indoor and outdoor use, allowing for a custom install solution saving you significantly on installation costs. This 25 kilowatts with Symphony 2 power management can manage your home, up to 19,000 square feet with a 5-ton air conditioner saving you thousands less than a previously required larger, liquid-cooled unit. Closer placement options as close as 18 inches from your home per the National Fire Protection Agency 37 standard. Comprehensive 5-year parts, labor, and travel limited warranty.
Top 3.
Powerful DuroMax engine. The XP12000A is powered by a DuroMax 457cc OHV engine. Dual fuel technology. The ability to run on propane or gasoline allows the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Plenty of power, with 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts. This unit can handle heavy loads from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. Powering everyone anywhere. Like all DuroMax generators, the XP12000A is EPA and CARB approved for use in all 50 states. Engine type: 4-stroke.
Top 2.
7,500 running watts and 9,500 peak watts. Remote start with included key fob, electric, and recoil start. Up to 11 hours of runtime on a 6.6-gallon fuel tank with fuel gauge. Features 2 GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter, 520 or 120 volts household duplex receptacle and 1 L1430 or 120 240ths of a volt twist lock receptacle. All outlets have rubber covers for added safety. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory and may contain minimum residual oil and/or fuel odor, EPA and CARB compliant. Backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service network.
Top 1.
True Power Technology delivers best-in-class power quality, less than 5%, for smooth operation of sensitive electronics and appliances. Includes a 200-amp NEMA 3, indoor/outdoor rated, whole house smart transfer switch. Generac Evolution Controller features LED indicators for generator status, utility power presence or maintenance required. The tough, durable all-weather aluminum enclosure offers 3 removable sides for easy access for installation, service, and maintenance. Battery not included. Generac battery 7043-5819 sold separately. Check the description below on where to buy it.